So the difference between an annual and a triennial, an annual, as the name kind of alludes to in itself, is the legally required meeting that's supposed to be held at, every year or at least once annually. So for every student that has an IEP, they will have at minimum one IEP meeting per year. And in the annual meeting, parents will review the past year of their child's progress on the past year's goals, and then they'll look to basically update the IEP for the next year. Whereas the triennial is every 3 years, and by law that's required at minimum every 3 years. However, if necessary, it can be bumped up or it can happen sooner. They're looking at a complete reevaluation to determine whether or not the student continues to qualify for special education and or certain services within special education. So any service that the child receives, they'll have a reevaluation, and if there's any reason to suspect a need for additional services, they'll have maybe a first evaluation for that area. So in those meetings, they'll review all of those assessment reports, which can be a lot of information, as well as everything that would be reviewed at an annual. So progress on goals to date, and then going through the IEP to determine if there's anything that needs to be updated or changed based on the new information from the assessments.